What's up, everyone? It's Lee here. I'm the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today I'm reaching out to you to let you know that I have fully adapted my systems to be automated. If you've seen in the past, I made a video saying, oh my gosh, I'm so overworked, I'm doing all these quotes, and a lot of you reached out to me, and there was comments, and people are in the same struggle. So I officially want to let you know that I have adapted my website to use a program called Booqable. It's a booking online rental system to completely automate the process. Now, the bookings just come in all by themselves. It's fantastic. I'm going to show you how I do it because if you're having this struggle trying to do quotes, but also trying to set up events and manage your life, you need something like this. You need to fully automate. And let's get into it. So if you're new here, I'll give you a little insight into my business. I run an event rental company out of my garage here.
Come on out this way. So, out the garage here. I've got a little bay here.
This is my trailer that I do deliveries, and this is my bay. Customers literally do a 24-hour drop-off here. So they can call me and text me, and I send them a code for the little key box here, and gets them into the bay, and then that's where they do their return.
So it's an automated drop-off, basically. Yeah, and this is the rental company. But this video is about Booqable. It's about my automated booking process. So let's get back to that.
So Booqable is a website that has a cloud-based program that you can sign up to rent your stuff out. So that's what I do. It has an online store, or you can make it so that it sends quotes to you and you do quotes. But the online store, that's where it's at. I know what you're saying.
Online store, it's a little bit iffy.
I was a little bit scared at first too, but I'm not scared anymore because the bookings are coming in. The customers aren't scared to use the store. We're living in a new day and age where people aren't scared to buy stuff online. You just have to make sure to have your website be welcoming to that store. Let me show you my website. Made little buttons and banners on my website that say stuff like, oh, booking rentals has never been this easy before. Basically telling the customers like, oh, don't be scared of the online store. It's actually better. Not to mention they track inventory. You never have to track inventory again. All summer long, I had to track inventory. Look at all these sheets. This is every week that I track during the summer in order. So this is what went out through my weeks all summer. So this right here is 16 weeks worth of tracking inventory. Fun stuff. So right here is a quick look at my website. You'll see me going through the store. Then I just quickly select something. You select your date and then you press book. I require a 25% deposit down in order to place the booking, which you can set within the program, and then you're off to the races. And then it will automatically send an automated email to the person booking saying, hey, you're booked in. This is where you pick up, and have a nice day. If you have any problems, questions, or concerns, please reach out to us with my contact information. Super simple. So, and one other huge thing is the credit card's already stored on file as soon as they pay. And before they pay, you can make it so that they have to sign a contract to agree to additional charges if the rentals are brought back broken, blah, 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 blah. It's awesome.
And blah, 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 blah. It's awesome.
Super simple. And then my phone just goes ding, and a booking's in. So here's a basic rundown of how the program works once you're inside. So I turn on the computer and it instantly goes, I have it set so my computer instantly goes to Booqable so that I can log in. So once you're inside Booqable, you can manage your inventory, you can set blackout dates, automated emails, that's another big one. So you can take an email and you can auto-populate it with the names or the dates or whatever information that they plugged in when they're booking to auto-populate into a template that you previously have mapped out. So it's big-ass time saver. Big time saver. Okay, want to see something cool? When a booking comes in, it auto-populates my Google Calendar. So check this out. Hey Google, what's on my calendar for tomorrow?
There are 2 entries tomorrow. You're continuing an event called Number 106, started Infinity Management. Then, at 3:30 p.m., you have Number 108, reserved Tina Shagan.
There we go. My calendar for tomorrow. Anyways, this is my little rundown on Booqable. If you like Booqable, I recommend you check it out. go to their website and take a look at it all. And this is just basically how I integrated my rental company with it. And yeah, you stay classy.
And blah, 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 blah. It's awesome.
And blah, 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 blah. It's awesome.